Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 23, 2022, one-star Sudoku. Thank you for joining my channel and welcome to all new members. It helps my channel if you like my videos. I'm expecting every single one of my YouTube members. Column E and column G we have 6. 7th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B under column I we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column B we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B we have 1, 5 and 7. It can't come in these cells. It will come union of the 3 cells. We'll confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. It will come union of the cells. We'll confirm later. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. We'll confirm later. In this grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 2 and 8. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column G we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Seventh row, only 1 numbers are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. We'll confirm later. In this grid, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. We'll confirm later. In this grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 2. 9th row we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. The 1 and 2 will come in any one of the cells. Column C we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I and column J we have pair numbers, 5 and 7. It can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Ninth row, only one cell remaining. Will confirm later. It will come 4 or 8. Column E and column G we have 2. Eighth row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. In this grid we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells. Fourth row also we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column H we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Eighth row we have 3, column J also we have 3, so 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column I we have 7, in this grid we have 7, column D also we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. We have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells. This grid also we have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column D, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Third row we have 2, so 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Third row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column H, you have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. In this grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8 and 9. Column J we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then only remaining 4 and 8. Column J we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, then 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column J only 1 numbers are remaining, 6 is confirmed here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 4. Column I we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Tenth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column E we have 9, so 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column F we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column E we have 9, so 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 1. Column E only 1 numbers are remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column G we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.